Hi, I'm Yannick from Vasha Photography, and in this video I'll show you some behind the scene and how we got these 4 portraits from an engagement session we did in Joshua Park a couple of weeks ago. So the first 2 photos we used the off-camera flash to maintain the natural feel of the ambient light that we had in the park. And then the second 2 photos we used also the off-camera flash, but this time to create a bit more dramatic portraits during the sunset. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, big thank you to Sasha for doing the behind the scene video, holding the lights, and also carrying our 3-month-old Savannah. Here is Camila and Chris, our best friends. And here's Indra with the beauty dish, camera left. There's feathered, and basically the whole goal here was to make the light natural even while using the strobe. And here's my crazy pose. So yeah, we shot with the 85 millimeter from Sigma, the 1.4 art lens, to get the nice soft feel of the overall photo. So here's the straight out of the camera, and then you'll see in just a second after. So the editing was very minimal. It was just slightly contrast and saturation, but that was it. Now the second photo that we're gonna do is of Kris and Camila dancing. So the flash is still camera left, and we want to make sure that there's some movement in the dress. So here it is. This is straight out of the camera, and the editing again was very subtle, just a little bit more contrast and brightening the faces a little bit, but that was it. And now here we are at the sunset. The main challenge here was the constantly changing the light, the wind, and balancing the exposure with the camera and the flash. But hopefully we got some good results. You can see there are some people behind, so we had to be aware of it. And then this is Sasha's effort to show where the light was, because she was also carrying, filming, and holding Savannah. So this is the before photo 1 at sunset. This is edited, so you can see just some details in the shadows and make it a little bit more dramatic. This is the straight out of the camera photo number 2, and edited. We brought more the details, some texture, etc. But this is the final result. And here is Sasha with Savannah, the 2 queens, fantastic assistants. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.